Welcome to Module 2. Following on from the concept of cryptocurrency, we now look at how this new digital money works in the real world and how more people, industries, and even governments are using cryptocurrency to solve real-world financial problems. For a balanced view, we also take a look at some issues that surround cryptocurrency use. Module 2 covers 4 lessons. Lesson 1. Crypto adoption continues to rise. As cryptocurrencies mature and they prove their utility, their advantages and solutions are becoming apparent to more people and industries. This is especially in the original purpose of cryptocurrency as a form of peer-to-peer electronic cash. As more people became aware of crypto, more people started to buy these digital assets. More people opened their own crypto wallets to store their Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the scores of other types of coins and tokens that appeared in the years following Bitcoin's introduction. In this way, we can observe that cryptocurrency adoption has continued to rise over the last decade. This means more users, more merchants accepting crypto as payment, and more companies and even countries recognizing cryptocurrency as legitimate money. A significant jump in adoption happened in the last 5 years. One of the major reasons for this is cryptocurrency's incredible spurt in value. In 2017, Bitcoin hit a high of almost $20,000, considerably more than its value in 2010, when each Bitcoin wasn't even worth 1 cent. Many predict cryptocurrencies will have as big an impact as the internet, but they're still relatively new ideas, and there is no certainty that adoption will increase because they threaten the government's control over money creation. Most people don't really understand how money works and why we need crypto at all. True decentralization is hard to scale. Some require a lot of energy, creating environmental concerns. As it stands, crypto adoption is still at an early stage. There is different data about how many people actually use crypto, but conservative numbers put the rate of crypto adoption at about 1% of the world's population. We'll cover some of these challenges facing cryptocurrency with greater detail in Lesson 4, so you can understand why they are problematic, but also learn about what's being done to tackle them. All this uncertainty makes it hard to know what cryptocurrencies might be worth in the future, so their prices are volatile. But over time, many cryptocurrencies have increased enormously in value. So speculation has become their biggest current use case. This means that more people are currently buying and selling or investing in cryptocurrency rather than using them, speculating that previous market cycles of booming growth will reappear, making them worth even more in the future. Nevertheless, cryptocurrency use continues to grow at a healthy pace, as shown by the steady increase of several fundamental indicators, such as the number of computers, called nodes, that are helping to maintain cryptocurrency networks, making them increasingly decentralized, the amount of computing power behind these nodes that protect the networks from attacks and help to verify transactions, making them increasingly secure. The number of new wallets being created on crypto networks, indicating more new users, and the transaction volume on crypto networks, indicating more utility. There are also other indications that the crypto ecosystem is growing, gaining acceptance, recognition, and legitimization. The number of apps being built to help make using crypto easier, diversifying and increasing ways to use crypto. More countries have begun regulating crypto, thus making them legally recognized. More merchants are accepting Bitcoin, strengthening crypto's case as a method of payment and currency. More companies and employers are generating revenue in crypto and distributing salaries in crypto, helping to shape a circular economy for crypto. Now, let's see how much you remember from Lesson 1.